Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question for ACT math calculator use. Okay, so this particular question goes like this: are calculator tricks allowed on the ACT? Well, guys, the right answer to this question is yes, absolutely yes, capital letter yes. Okay, calculator shortcuts and built-in functions are completely allowed as long as the calculator itself is permitted under ACT rules. Okay, of which various versions of the TI-84 can be used in the ACT mass. Okay, I highly recommend the TI-84 plus CE. So if you have that calculator, simply come this my playlist on this my channel. Locate this particular playlist. Let me show you quickly. Locate this playlist. This one. It's all about 51 videos. Go through it. I have various videos I've done on using the TI-84 plus E in solving city mass problems. Guys, watch this video and you'll be fine. You'll be glad you did. Okay, hope I answered this question for you. I will see you in my next video.